In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable lead tracker using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. This is where you will give Claude the instruction to build the lead tracking system for you directly through the Airtable integration. Once the chat is open, paste in a clear prompt that tells Claude exactly what you want created. Use this prompt. Create a lead tracking system directly in my Airtable using the integration. Build a table for leads with fields for name, company, status, source, value, owner, email, phone, and dates. Include simple pipeline tracking and ensure everything is fully configured and ready to use. After you send the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and create the setup. The goal here is to have Claude build the structure for your lead tracker automatically, so you do not have to create each field manually. This saves time and gives you a ready-to-use starting point for managing leads. Next, go to Airtable and open your workspace. Look for the newly created base that contains the lead tracker. Open that base and review what was generated. You should see a leads table already in place. Open the leads table and check each field carefully. Confirm that the fields for name, company, status, source, value, owner, email, phone, and dates were created correctly. Make sure the setup matches the tracking system you requested. Then verify that the key fields are working as expected. Check that the status field supports pipeline stages, and confirm that the source and owner fields are set up in a useful way. Also review the date fields to make sure they are formatted properly for tracking lead activity over time. Once the structure looks correct, begin adding lead data into the table. Enter your new leads, and fill in the relevant details for each one. This is where the tracker starts becoming useful for daily sales or outreach work. As your leads move forward, update the status field to reflect each stage in the pipeline. This helps you keep an accurate view of where every lead stands. A simple status workflow makes it easier to manage follow-up and measure progress. Continue using the table to track lead progress over time. Review records regularly, update details when needed, and keep the pipeline current so your team has a clear picture of active opportunities. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.